Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering everything and choosing the right physical connection. First, plug the Bluetooth receiver into the TV's audio output. 3. 5mm, RCA or optical matching connector type to port. Turn the receiver on and put it into pairing mode. A blinking LED usually indicates readiness. Next, go to the TV's audio settings to select the external output or set audio to external speaker so sound routes off the TV. Once done, make sure volume is modest to avoid sudden loud playback during pairing. Now you'll pair the devices and confirm audio formats. On the TV, navigate to Bluetooth device discovery or the external audio menu and start a scan. The receiver should appear with its model name. Select it to pair, enter a PIN only if requested. Most receivers accept 0000 or 1234. After pairing, change the TV audio output format to PCM or stereo if the receiver lacks surround decoding. Make sure the TV's speaker complete setup by testing audio with different content and adjusting volume so speech and picture stay in sync. If you notice delay, enable the TV's lip sync or audio delay compensation and reduce wireless interference by moving other devices away. For persistent pairing failures, power cycle both devices, restart the TV, and repeat pairing within a few feet. If you still have no sound, confirm the TV output type and try a different cable or the receiver's pairing reset. This resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.